Today we want to talk about the Ray-Ban Wayfarer. The Wayfarers have been around since 1956. There are currently two styles on the market. The one you see here is the original Wayfarer, known as the 2140. There is also the Ray-Ban New Wayfarer, which is the 2132. Customers often ask us, can we get these replaced? Can I get new temples? Can I get new lenses? At All American Eyeglass Repair, we carry replacement lenses, both polarized and non-polarized. This is a polarized lens, as you will see the word Ray-Ban, with the letter P after that. Up in that right-hand corner, if there is no letter P, you will have the non-polarized lenses. They do come in many colors. We try to have most of them available for you. Which Wayfarer do you have? Well, take a look at the inside of your left temple, and you'll be looking for an RB2140 on the original, and an RB2132 if you have the new Wayfarer. And again, if you need replacement temples, contact All American Eyeglass Repair. If you need your Ray-Ban Wayfarer replaced, again, AmericanEyeglassRepair.com.